Hey, what's for dinner? Well, it's funny you asked because I was just about to tell you. Let's get into this one pot, crock pot, easy to little to no maintenance meal. If you haven't seen the video from earlier, I will link it in the description, but this is what we started with this morning. I've seared the meat and put it all in the pot, set it and forget it, and left for the day. Came home and I took all of the meat out of the crock pot, and look at this, guys. It looks delicious. Okay, now once you take the meat out, this is what you're going to be left with. There is some meat left in there, of course, because it starts to come apart, but all I did here was add mushroom and potatoes and put the lid back on for about an hour and let it do its thing. And because I didn't have much to do, I decided to make some greens. Have you ever had collard greens? We'll get back to that in a second. Mashed potatoes as well, and here I am smashing them down. We do not whip them in a blender, we smash potatoes. Now let's check on them greens. Oh, I wish YouTube has invented a scratch and sniff, but since they have not gotten there yet, I can just tell you that it smells absolutely amazing, guys. I don't know if you are a collard green fan, but I could literally eat these for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now let's take a quick check back on the roast, and okay, we are looking good. I just added the meat all back in because all of the veggies and potato is ready. It is looking absolutely delicious. And here's another quick clip of that meat because look at that. It's so tender, juicy, ready to eat. Now we're gonna check on these mashed potatoes, and that is exactly what you're looking for in mashed potatoes. I like my mashed potatoes to have texture as well, and you're looking for that sort of heavy flop. Now here is the finished product. Look at this plate. Anyone can make this meal. It is extremely low maintenance, and it is a crowd pleaser. I keep the vegetables nice and big so that anyone who doesn't like them can pick them out and save them for me. Tender check. Yep. Look at that. Super tender. After dinner, we finished off with a butter tart. Now, if you are not Canadian, you may not know what this is, but this just came out the oven and that's why it is bubbling. It is similar to a pecan pie without pecans. Oh, let's eat.